Hi, I'm Mrs. Elder, and today I'm going to talk about Math Talks. What is a Math Talk? A Math Talk is a mathematical discussion about a particular photo. Math Talks encourage children to look around them for math and to use mathematical language about their surroundings. Math Talks also support deeper learning and can help students work through misconceptions or misunderstandings. Now I'd like to show you an example of a math talk that I might present to my students. The first one is a photo of, as you can see, dogs. I would begin this math talk with using beginning questions like, what do you see in this picture? Do you see anything we can count? Are all the dogs standing up? And again, know that as you're asking these questions, students will answer them. So your student in their presentation needs to be prepared to answer questions, and they need to know enough about the picture to be able to do so. After the beginning questions, I would follow up with some intermediate questions like, how many dogs are sitting up? How many dogs are lying down? And after the students have answered those correctly, I would then move to more advanced questions like, how many legs does each dog have? How many eyes does each dog have? And how many eyes are there altogether in this picture? The second math talk picture I'd like to use as an example is a drawing I received from a student. I would start this math talk off by having some beginning questions such as, what do you see in this picture? Do you see anything that we can count? And again, those questions would be followed up with intermediate questions like, how many orange hearts are there? How many hearts are there altogether? Followed by advanced questions like, do all the hearts look the same? How many big hearts are there? Can you create a number problem that represents this picture? And for that last question, I would have the students possibly say 4 big hearts plus 11 small hearts equals 15 hearts. Just a couple of things to remember when creating your math talk. First thing is, don't stress out. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to call me, email me, or stop by. I'd be more than willing to help you out with this project. The second thing is allow your student to do as much of the project as they can on their own. Third, as you can see, it doesn't matter what picture you choose. Your students can take the pictures themselves, they can draw the pictures, they can find the pictures in the magazine or newspapers. Any picture that we can talk about in a mathematical sense will work. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to call, email, or just stop by.